So here we have a geometry question. We have been given ABCD as a square. So obviously in this square, all these four sides will be equal. This will be equal as it is a square. Also all the angles A, angle B, angle C, angle D, all will be equal to 90 degree here, right? Now we have been given one of the sides which is AE. A is 16 centimeter. Now we have to find out area of triangle AB. The green shaded triangle ka area we have to find out. So in a if two angles, the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Suppose one is alpha, one is beta, and the sum is 90 degree. Then we say alpha beta are complementary angles, right? Complementary angles. This is one of the concepts. Now in triangle AEB, just have a look here in this triangle, the star mark triangle here, AEB, we can see angle E is 90 degree. So the sum of other two angles has to be 90 degree. So we have one angle as alpha, one angle as beta, because we have assumed here alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, in triangle AFB, now what we have done here, we have extended AE to AF such that AF is perpendicular to BF. So here we are extending this line AE and extending till what? Till F here, and we are dropping a perpendicular from B on this F, and we have, so that we have a right angle triangle, right? So in triangle AFB we can see the same thing happening. Angle F is 90 degree and sum of other two angles has to be 90 degree only. This angle being beta, the other angle alpha has to be alpha, because the sum of these two has to be 90 degrees. Similar way, this angle, the other complementary angle has to be beta. So if we just see our triangle, this star mark triangle, and the triangle which we made now, BFA, the other this triangle. So we'll see one of the angle is beta in both of these. One of the angles is alpha in both of these. Here we have alpha, we have alpha, here we have beta, here we have beta. Now the third angle is 90 degree. So we have all three angles equal in these two triangles. So what happens if we have here alpha, we have here beta, we have here alpha, here beta, and other angle is 90 degree in both, then these triangles AED, my star mark triangle here, and the second triangle, my star mark triangle here, AFB, becomes what? Congruent, right? Now if they become congruent, what is the inference we can take? We can see the side in front of alpha is 16 centimeter. In which triangle? In ADE, the alpha's front side is 16 centimeter, which is AE here. Similar way, we can see in other triangle AFB, what is that side in front of alpha? So in front of alpha, we have BF, and as they are congruent, it means they will have these two length as equal. So if my A is 16 centimeter, my BF also becomes of nothing but 16 centimeter. Now just let's draw this triangle here to make you understand. We have I'm just redrawing this triangle here. This triangle is like this, drawn like this, okay, and we have a 90-degree angle here. So in this triangle, if we see, we have to find out area of this triangle. We have A, E, F, and we have B here. So base is what? A, which is 16 centimeter given, and the height is what? Which we just found out, which is 16 centimeter here. Now for the triangle AEB, for which we have to find out area, the base we know 16 centimeter and the height we know 16 centimeter. And what is the area for any triangle? Half into base into height, right? So it will be half into 16 into 16. So 2 8s are 16. It is coming out to be 128 centimeter square. So our area here is nothing but 128 centimeter square. I hope you got this concept. We have just used two concepts, the concept of complementary angle alpha plus beta 90 degree and the concept of congruent triangles, the sides being equal as the all angles are same. So we have used these two concepts and we have found out base and height of a triangle, and that's found out the area of the triangle. I hope this concept is clear. Please like and subscribe my channel and please refer it to your friends. Thank you so much.